If you were checking the title of this video and thinking it was a typo, no, it is factual. DJI is being sued by Autel. What? What is up, everybody? I'm Original Dobo. Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. On April 26, 2018, DJI has been sued, or a patent suit has been filed by Autel Robotics. I'm not making this up. This is for real. Why do I keep doing this? I feel like I'm Jay Malone. That's really annoying. I'm gonna stop doing that. Yes, on the 26th of April, DJI is being sued by Autel Robotics for 2 patents that they are supposedly infringing on. Patent number 1 is about waypoints and missions, basically some of the autonomous flight software that DJI uses in their drones. Autel is making the claim that they are infringing on their patents that they filed back in 2016. Number 2 says that DJI is infringing on Autel's design of quick release props. Yes, the props that you use on the Mavic Pros and the DJI Spark and the Mavic Air supposedly infringes upon a patent that Autel filed for. So, which makes sense because literally when I got a chance to go hands-on with the Autel, it was literally the same design as DJI, and I wouldn't be surprised if props that were on a Mavic wouldn't have fit the Evo if we ever get our hands on the Evo. It's really interesting to see this happening. It's something that I did not believe. I'm gonna keep an eye on this, and if there is an endgame or any updates on this lawsuit, I will definitely update this video as more information comes out. I'm gonna go ahead and include a link to this lawsuit so you can read the whole 17 pages of this lawsuit that they filed. It's pretty intense, it's crazy. I'm not really sure why this is happening, or if this is a preemptive strike against DJI and basically securing the Autel's stance, basically saying, hey, we're gonna launch this drone, and if you're gonna try to launch something after us, well, we're gonna sue the living shit out of you if you even come close to using some of our patents. I don't know, it doesn't make any sense. This is so weird. But anyways, 17 pages, I'm not gonna go over it all in this video. It's crazy, but Autel has sued DJI now. This is crazy. Patent wars don't end well for anybody, and most importantly, consumers end up losing. Why can't we all just share the love? If you really think about it, the Evo does take a lot of design characteristics from the Mavic, probably more so that DJI could turn around and sue. But anyways, if anything else arises of this, I'm gonna continue to monitor the situation, but it's crazy. Go ahead and check this article out. I promise you will be entertained. That's gonna do it for today's very quick video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. If you didn't, that other button tends to work just fine as well. As always, guys, thank you so much for being a part of my channel, and stay original.